Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove a Facebook account from Facebook Messenger. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, look at the lower right corner of your screen and click on the menu icon. This will open up your main navigation options within Messenger, giving you access to all the important settings and features you need. Once the menu opens, click on your profile at the top of the screen. This is where you can manage your account settings and view all the Facebook accounts currently connected to your Messenger app. It's essentially your control center for managing multiple accounts. Now, you should be able to see all the other Facebook accounts that are linked to your Messenger. This section displays every account you've previously logged into on this device, making it easy to switch between them or manage which ones stay connected. To remove an account, simply drag the account name to the left. This gesture-based action is designed to be quick and intuitive, allowing you to manage your accounts with just a swipe. As you drag the name across, you'll reveal additional options for that specific account. After dragging the name to the left, you'll see a trash can icon appear. This icon is your deletion option, clearly indicating that you're about to remove this account from your Messenger app. It's positioned right there for easy access once you've selected the account you want to remove. Go ahead and click on the trash can icon. This action signals to Messenger that you want to proceed with removing this particular Facebook account from your device. The app wants to make sure you're certain about this decision before making any changes. At this point, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is an important safety feature that prevents accidental deletions. The message is asking you to verify that you really want to remove this account, giving you one last chance to reconsider before the action is finalized. Simply click Remove on the confirmation message, and the account will be disconnected from your Messenger app. You've successfully removed the Facebook account from Facebook Messenger, cleaning up your account list and ensuring only the profiles you actively use remain connected. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.